children. Today we are going to do an activity from textbook. See, I request all of you to open your textbook, page number 14. Okay. See what is there. Listen and complete. Listen to the passage and fill in the blanks. See, fill in the blanks activity is there. If you want to fill this correctly, you have to listen what I am going to say. Listen very carefully and fill this. Okay. See, this is a story and I am going to say this story. Okay. Listen very carefully for answering it. Okay. Once upon a time, a young man lived in a village. He was too lazy. One day, a farmer asked the young man whether he wanted to earn some money by plucking mangoes. The farmer promised to give 2 rupees for each mangoes that he plucked. See, once upon a time there was a young man lived in a village. Who did live in a village? A young man lived in a village and he was too lazy. He was very lazy man. And one day a farmer asked the young man whether he wanted to earn some money by plucking mangoes. See, there was a farmer and he asked to this young man, this lazy man, what did he ask? He asked whether he wanted to earn some money by plucking mangoes. By plucking mangoes. See, in this picture you can see there are mango trees and there are more mango. Many mangoes are there in the tree, right? See. The farmer promised to give 2 rupees for each mangoes that he plucked. This farmer asked to this young lazy man whether he wanted to earn some money by plucking mangoes. Okay, if you are plucking mangoes for I'll give you money. For each mangoes I give 2 rupees. 2 rupees for 1 mango, he said. Okay, the farmer promised to this young man to give 2 rupees for each mango that he plucked. Okay, for each mangoes that he plucked. And the young man agreed. He started to climb one of the trees. He dreamt of making a lot of money. The young man agreed. He said, okay, I'll climb the tree and I'll pluck all the mangoes and you give me 2 rupees for each mangoes. What I am going, mangoes, what he plucked. Okay. Then he started to climb. He started to climb one of the trees. He dreamt of making a lot of money. Then he started to climb the mango tree and he was dreaming about making more money by plucking. For each mango he gets 2 rupees now. He climbed the tree and he was dreaming about making lot of money. And when he reached the top of the tree, he started dreaming of buying a chicken. The chicken would grow and lay eggs. He would sell those eggs and become rich. And when he reached the top of the tree, he climbed and he reached the top of the tree. He reached the top of the tree. He started dreaming of buying chicken. When he reached the top of the tree, what he was thinking? He was thinking to buy a chicken. He was thinking to buy a chicken. What is chicken? Chicken in the sense, this is small hens are there, no? Small hens, we call them chicken. Okay. He was thinking to buy a chicken and the chicken would grow and lay eggs. He would sell those eggs and become rich. And he was thinking that now he is on the top of the tree and he is thinking that I will buy a chicken, and this chicken, when the chicken will grow, the chicken will lay eggs, and I sell the eggs, and I get, if we sell the eggs, we get money, no? He would sell those eggs, and he will become a rich man. He was dreaming in such a way. Now where he is on the top of the tree. Then he would go to another country and marry a beautiful princess. He was thinking that by selling the eggs, he will become a rich man, and he will go to another country. Not in this country. He will go to another country, and he will marry a beautiful princess. He will marry a beautiful princess from that country. He will go to another country, and he will marry a beautiful princess from that country. And as he pictured this scene in his mind, the lazy man slipped. He fell down, and a big thump and broke his legs. His dreams were shattered. As he pictured this scene in his mind, the lazy man slipped. Now he was on the top of the tree. He is sitting there, and he is dreaming. He will buy chicken, and the chicken will grow, and it will lay eggs, and those eggs he sell, and he get money. By selling those eggs, he become a rich man, and he will go to another country, and he will marry a beautiful princess. He was dreaming. Where he is now, he is on the top of the tree. Suddenly, what happened? He slipped from the top of the tree. What happened? He fell down. He slipped from the top of the tree, and he fell down with a big thump and broke his legs. When he fell down, he broke his legs. His dreams were shattered. Now all his dreams shattered, closed, right? He is not at all he not at all picked all the mangoes. He was dreaming like anything, right? He was dreaming. He is sitting on the top of the tree, and he was dreaming there, and suddenly he fell down and broke his legs. Right? See, I hope you understand this story by listening very carefully, and answer for it. Fill in the blanks. You have to fill this. If you want to fill correctly, you have to listen very carefully what I said now. Okay, this story, listen carefully. If for understanding this story, you watch twice or thrice this video, and fill in the blanks. Okay, and fill in the blanks and send me a photo of this after filling it. Okay, this is your homework.